So the dream is to one day get a skid steer. I know everyone dreams of, you know, certain things, but I know it's weird. Mine is to have a skid steer one day so that when we run into issues like this, a 1,500-pound roll of turf, used turf, that's okay. We're gonna use it for our outdoor project, our patio project over here. So we're gonna basically lay it, we gotta dig down with gravel and sand. Probably start doing some of that today. And again, it would be awesome if I had a skid steer. I could just put my bucket down and just work away. But today we're doing it with shovels. Yeah, that's our skid steer right there. So one day, when I had a skid steer, I could just put forks on, get under this bad boy, and get it off. But once again, we don't have one, so we're gonna do some good old-fashioned someone ingenuity. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. I brought my car jack here. I'm gonna try to get under one side, lift it up, put a 4x4 underneath, and then the other side, lift it up, put a 4x4 underneath, and then, I don't know, see if we can just roll it off. I don't know how this is gonna work. If anyone else has any better ideas, that would be awesome, but that's what I got right now. The funny thing is, I originally was gonna try to tilt the whole dang, and I still might do it. I mean, tilt the whole dang trailer on its side and then roll it off. I might end up doing that still. In fact, I'm starting to think that might even be a better idea just to start with. What the hell? We're gonna do it. Yeah, change the plan. I think I'm gonna jack the whole trailer on its side. Sheesh, that doesn't seem like a good idea, but maybe? I don't know. Look how, I mean, it is like, I don't know if you can see that, but it has put a nice indentation in my trailer here. But, okay. Actually, let's go with the first idea. Oh my gosh. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna try it. Gosh dang it. All right, come on. I'm gonna lift one side up. Oh boy. No. Okay, I'm gonna jack it up. You gotta take this and slide it up underneath, okay? You're gonna take it out and slide it underneath, okay? Okay. Now. Come on, push it. Get it across, so they're both, one on this side, one on that side on the rail. Can you get, that's as far as it goes, bro. Okay. A little more. Okay, that's good. Okay. Sorry. Okay, ready? One. Lift up that side. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. I need you guys both to stay on, okay? Oh, easy. You guys good? I'm gonna put this big one under. All the way, because you guys are gonna have to lift up on it. Okay, the other one. I got it. Oh, yeah. And our weight. You got it? Hold both sides. Yeah.
Okay, flip it off. The turf's gonna fall.
Good. That's what we want.
Fall this way. You don't want to fall on someone.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Right there. Hold this. Yep. It is crazy. Yes. Now slide it under to the other side. Yes. Watch out, dear. Oh my gosh. That's okay.
No, you can only try to do this.
Good job. Oh my gosh. We did it. Good job, everybody. We did it. Yeah. It's off. Oh my gosh. That was crazy.